Ensono is an IT managed service provider. We provide hosting services, private cloud, and public cloud. We also have advisory and consulting practices and cloud-native application development practices. Our primary focus is finance and government verticals, but we do serve a broad range of customers. By introducing Avi Load Balancing in our platform, we've been able to dramatically increase the flexibility and speed of deployment and meeting our clients' requirements as they change and evolve, which is a significant change from the previous physical implementations of load balancing that we've been using. The Avi Load Balancing platform has enabled us to provide much better insights into application performance, dramatically improving how we can support our clients' infrastructure and applications. The automation capabilities have enabled us to really improve our disaster recovery and our testing capabilities. In one of our client implementations, there was a missed load balancer requirement. The software-defined nature of Avi Load Balancing enabled us to implement a 10 gig plus load balancing capability in the same day. With a traditional hardware load balancer, there had been extensive procurement cycles, physical cabling, infrastructure and configuration that would have taken weeks or months. We were using traditional physical load balancers for both our dedicated and our shared platforms. This made it very difficult to provide a consistent service delivery. Before we implemented Avi Load Balancers, because our client solutions are based on multi-site and have a DR test capability, we had to build multiple sites, DR test networks, each requiring their own hardware load balancer. These load balancers had to be sized for expected growth for 5 years with overhead. So this resulted in a very CapEx expensive platform. With Avi, we've been able to use the software-defined capability to deliver to both small clients, large clients, single site and multi-site in a consistent way using automation very simply. Overall, we find Avi to be a great product and we're looking to see how we can use it more to improve our client experience overall.